Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making orange chicken. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. For the sauce, you'll need 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of orange zest, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 scallion, 1/3 cup of rice vinegar, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of water, and canola oil for frying. To your chicken, add the egg, season with the salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. Now add the cornstarch and flour, then mix until all your pieces are well coated. Preheat your oil to 375 degrees, then fry your chicken for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, remove the chicken from the oil and set them aside until later. To a pan, add the water, rice vinegar, soy sauce, orange juice, and lemon juice, and bring to a light simmer. Now add the brown sugar and mix until all of your sugar has dissolved. Now add the ginger, orange zest, red pepper flakes, and scallion. Add in the cornstarch and continue mixing until your sauce has reduced. Reduce your heat, then add the chicken to the pan and generously coat each piece. Turn off your heat and now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab